In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix KeyBank app not working. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Banking apps are pretty sensitive to continuous issues, so this step alone can fix a lot of problems. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. If that does not help, restart a phone. This clears temporary glitches that might be causing the app to crash or not load properly. Now, check if the app needs an update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app KeyBank. If you find the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Running an outdated version can often lead to login errors or crashes. If the issue continues, go into your phone settings, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage, find the app KeyBank and launch it. Now click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again to confirm it. This will clear cache for the app, then click on Reinstall. Likewise, double check that you are entering the current login details. If you are getting sign-in errors, try resetting your password. Finally, it's worth checking if KeyBank servers are down. If the servers are having issue, the app won't work no matter what you try. And you'll just need to wait until it's back online. And that's it. These are best ways to fix the KeyBank app not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.